यस पीपल, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। कैसे हैं सब लोग? होप सो आप सब लोग बहुत बढ़िया रहेंगे। मैं बता दूं, मैं भी बहुत अच्छा हूं। सो गाइज, इस बार आपके केस लॉज में कुछ रिडक्शन हुआ है। देयर इज अ रिडक्शन इन योर केस लॉज। सो मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं कि कौन कौन से केस लॉज ऐसे हैं जो आईसीआई मटेरियल में कवर नहीं हुए। देयर आर सम केस लॉज दैट इज एक्सक्लूडेड फ्रॉम द आईसीआई मटेरियल, दैट इज मई नवंबर 2021 के लिए जो न्यू मटेरियल है उसमें से कुछ केस लॉज एक्सक्लूड कर दिए गए हैं। तो आपको उन केस लॉज को इग्नोर करना है। कौन कौन से केस लॉज है? ऑल पीपल जस्ट पे अटेंशन। तो मैं आपको मार्क करवा रहा हूं जो केस लॉ एक्सक्लूड हो गया है, तो रिडक्शन किया है। अब एक बात समझना, देयर इज वन केस लॉ अल्काटेल ल्यूसेंट कनाडा 2015। दिस केस लॉ इज नॉट कवर्ड इन द मटेरियल। ये मटेरियल में से एक्सक्लूड हुआ है, लेकिन दिस केस लॉ इज कवर्ड इन द वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इन द इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन पार्ट, मींस मॉड्यूल 7 जो आईसीआई का है उसमें एक क्वेश्चन में कवर हुआ है। इसके लिए यहां पे आपको इसको रखना है, इसको कंसिडर करना है, ठीक है। आफ्टर दैट देयर इज अ रिडक्शन इन केस लॉ। सो फर्स्ट केस लॉ दे रिमूव, that is case law from business and profession. So in business and profession, directly come to the page number 12, that is the Hindustan Zinc Inc Limited. Hindustan Zinc Limited, just remove that case law, just you have to ignore, इसको नहीं पढ़ना है, ठीक है। चलो उसके बाद में that is HJ Forgings Limited, ignore that. After that Mahindra and Mahindra Limited 2018 Supreme Court judgment, this is also removed from ICI material. After that Reebok India Limited 2018 Delhi High Court judgment. In deduction topic, okay, Tata Tea and others, various entity, Tata Tea and other, page number 33. You have to ignore that because now DDT is not applicable. So that case law was related to the DDT. So they remove that case law. After that, if you check, then yeah, NJ Josh and Company Private Limited, one case law they remove from here. In charitable and religious trust, there is one case law, that is the Meenakshi Amma Endowment Trust 2013. Now there is one more similar case law they have included, that is the same case law, same facts, same decision. So just write here, that is the Ananda Social and Educational Trust 2020 Supreme Court judgment. Just write near to this name, like Meenakshi Amma Endowment Trust or Ananda Social Educational Trust 2020 Supreme Court judgment. After that, Ramoji Foundation case law, you have to just delete that. UP Distillers Association, UPDA, you have to remove that. In TDS topic, Ajmer Vidyut Nigam Limited, you have to remove that. After that, Bhagat Construction Company Private Limited, that ITNS 150 is related case law, just you have to ignore that. Indian Oil Corporation 2019 Uttarakhand, that is also excluded. In Income Tax Authority, that Raghuvir Synthetic is excluded. After Raghuvir Synthetic, Vipin Walia 2016, that is also excluded. They excluded some case laws from the assessment and income tax authority and appeal and revision because nowadays there will be a faceless assessment and all. So some case laws they remove, so just ignore the Vipin Walia also. PP Engineering Work also ignore. After that Ambarnath Agarwal also ignore. HK Buildcon Limited also you have to ignore. After that Mega Trends also you have to ignore. Krishna Cap Box you have to ignore. And Okay, there is one case law that Sanchit Software and Solution Private Limited. So that same name is copied here also. Just you have to change the name. So on the page number 65, just you have to ignore the word Sanchit Software and Solution Private Limited. Just you have to write Prithvi Brokers and Shareholder 2012 Bombay High Court. Prithvi Brokers and Shareholders 2012 Bombay High Court judgment. After that, Subrata Roy 2016, you have to ignore this case law, as well as the Amitabh Bachchan 2016 Supreme Court judgment. You have to ignore this case law also. And in miscellaneous, that Travancore Diagnostic Private Limited, you have to ignore this case law because now there will be everything online, faceless notice and all. After that, here on the page number 72, just write here new case laws for May November 2021. Just ignore 2020, just write May November 2021. Okay, so here Lakshman Das Khandelwal and all case laws is applicable. Now Arham Softronics 2019 Supreme Court, just ignore that, this case law is removed. Arham Softronics 2019 Supreme Court judgment, but Raham Foundation 2019 is there, huh? After that, yeah, Valsad District Central Cooperative Bank Limited 2019, ignore. And yes, all other case laws are applicable for your examination. All other case laws are applicable for your examination. So guys, there are 100+ case laws. So many people are asking, sir, is it necessary to remember the case laws and all? So I always advise that at least you should remember 30-40 case laws. Now how you will select the 30-40 case laws? So just whatever case laws year is 2020, 2019 and 2018. Just pick the 2018, 19 and 20 case laws. So 2018 judgment, 2019 judgment and 2020 judgment. That is, you can say that examiner may ask the question from that case law. So you have to remember the at least 2018, 19 and 20's judgment. You got my point or not? Yes. And don't worry about that. I will give you the one-liner also before your examination. One-liner. In one-liner, I will pick at least 30 to 40 case laws that the examiner may ask in your examination. Okay. After that, there are MCQs question. Now MCQs, there are approx I think 16-17 sets of the MCQ questions. Now many people are asking the reason of the answer, because suppose in question number 1, suppose answer is a B or C, then what is the reason behind that? So explanation reason, I already uploaded one file on my website. That website name is bhavarborana.com. Just you have to visit bhavarborana.com, and in the free resources part, you will get the MCQ explanation of May-November 2021 compact. So MCQ explanation of May-November 2021 compact. So here you will get the answer reason behind the answer of every questions. Okay. So thanks a lot people. And okay, one more doubt. Sir, you know that ICI issued one MCQ booklet. So in that booklet, there are some new question or same question. So you know that most of question is already covered in this 17 sets. Most of question from that is already covered in this 17 sets, or there are some new questions also. You have to practice that case scenario as well as the MCQs. Because यार हर चीज मैं करवा दूंगा, हर चीज मैं बता दूंगा तो क्या फायदा? At least you also have to try that. And ICAI also given the reason for every MCQ. कि why answer is B, then they already given the reason also. So guys, please थोड़ा बहुत तो अपने को भी hard work करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा बहुत तो अपने को भी मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. And if you don't get any MCQ, then you can mail me or you can message me. Obviously, I will try to answer that MCQ. Okay. Okay. Now in your compact book, that topic number 4 is related to topic number 4. Topic number 4 is your authority of advance ruling. Topic number 4 is authority of advance ruling. So guys, in authority of advance ruling, there are some minor changes. Please make that change. Yeah, in authority of advance ruling. That is given on the page number 101, authority of advance ruling. Yeah. So earlier in authority of advance ruling, that qualification and all was as per the authority of advance ruling rules 2016. Now there are some new rules, that is tribunal, appellate tribunal and other authority rules 2020. So just write here, instead of the authority of advance ruling rules 2016, just you have to replace this with tribunal, appellate tribunal and other authority rules 2020. And also in the chairman, you have to ignore all this part, means you have to ignore this part, you have to just cut that part. And now chairman can be only a person was the judge of the Supreme Court or CJ of the High Court. Only out of this two person can be a chairman of the authority of advance ruling. Vice chairman same, judge of the High Court. Now in revenue member, just you have to add one thing, that member of the CBDT or CBEC and has performed function for 3 years. Just write here that has performed function of 3 years, function for 3 years. Just write that. Okay. And one more thing, whenever there is a case related to income tax, then always your revenue member will be from CBDT. Like who can be a revenue member? Revenue member can be only if that person is a member of the CBDT or CBEC. But if there is an income tax case, then always member will be from the CBDT only. Okay. And now law member, just you have to add, for law member who has or for a combined period of 10 years been a district judge or additional district judge. Just write that. A law member can be a who has or for a combined period of 10 years been a district judge or additional district judge. ये थोड़ा सा चेंज है आपका यहां पे। और उसके बाद टेन्योर में भी एक चेंज है। सो इन टेन्योर में जस्ट यहां 3 इयर्स जो है ना, यहां पे जस्ट मेक इट 4 इयर्स। जहां 3 इयर्स लिखा हुआ है जस्ट मेक इट 4 ईयर, टेन्योर विल बी अ 4 इयर्स। एंड एज, दैट मैक्सिमम एज फॉर मेंबर जस्ट मेक इट 65 इयर्स। आई थिंक 62 इयर्स लिखा हुआ रहेगा, वहां पे आप 65 इयर्स कर दो, वहां पे आप 65 इयर्स कर दो। और उसके बाद में आप लोग वॉल्यूम 1 जो है, वॉल्यूम 1 में जहां पे आपका एक टॉपिक दे रखा है, दैट टॉपिक इज बिजनेस ट्रस्ट। बिजनेस ट्रस्ट वाला जो टॉपिक है, बिजनेस ट्रस्ट, REIT एंड INVIT। बिजनेस ट्रस्ट कहां पे गया है यार, ये आया बिजनेस ट्रस्ट। हाँ, बिजनेस ट्रस्ट में यहां पे एक जगह प्रिंट हुआ है ये, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट टू 115 BBDA, इसको आप हटा देना। सब्जेक्ट टू 115 BBDA, इसको आप हटा देना बस। सब्जेक्ट टू 115 BBDA, जस्ट यू हैव टू रिमूव दैट। ओके, सो थैंक्स अलॉट पीपल, आज के लिए इतना बहुत है। ये लेक्चर सिर्फ इसके लिए था कि कौन कौन से केस लॉज आपको इग्नोर करने हैं कॉम्पैक्ट में से, बिकॉज नए स्टडी मटेरियल में वो इंक्लूड नहीं हुए हैं, तो आप उनको इग्नोर कर लो और बाकी वाले केस लॉ है वो आप पढ़ो। और एटलीस्ट जो 2020 वाले जजमेंट है, 2019 वाले जजमेंट है एंड 2018 वाले जजमेंट है, वो तो आपको ढंग से करने ही है। ठीक है, चलो, सो थैंक्स अलॉट पीपल, आज के लिए इतना बहुत है।